Welcome to 2906 Winona, a rural paradise set upon 23 acres that provides tranquil privacy within a wooded oasis. Adjoining over 800 acres of public land, this property provides the owner plenty of space to enjoy the outdoor lifestyle. As you arrive at the main home, the views open around the home site, which is nestled among towering conifers, while Cove Creek, a seasonal mountain creek, meanders past the home. The Tuscan-inspired home draws you in, with its vaulted roofline and two-story high-arched windows, providing an abundance of natural light and views of the natural landscape. The open floor plan living space boasts wood beams and an 18-foot tall ceiling, making this an inviting space to entertain or relax. The master bedroom offers 10-foot ceilings and a beautiful sliding barn door, which leads to the large closet and private bathroom with its walk-in shower, soaking tub, and live-edge wood countertops. The second story features a landing, oversized storage closet, and large loft living space, which is brightened by the natural light of the arched two-story windows from the living room below. Two guest bedrooms and a full bathroom round out the second level. As a bonus, there's a hidden third-story room as well. Located across the driveway is the 4-room dog kennel with fenced dog runs. The newly renovated guest quarters is spacious, with a sliding glass door that leads to a new deck that allows for a peaceful retreat looking over the creek. The storage building with a finished loft provides great utility. The large shop is situated at the front of the property for easy access. The shop has multiple large bay doors, tall ceilings, and a separate 400-amp power service. The shop also features an insulated office, climate-controlled wood shop with heat and air, and more. This stunning property is only 9.5 miles from downtown Grants Pass and 5 miles from Interstate 5, making this location a rural getaway while being close to conveniences. Thank you for touring this property with us today.